welcome back to All Things Keto Red. And today what we're going to be doing, I am going to be making an omelet out of just egg. Since I've been vegan, I've never brought anything eggless to make at home. I've tried scrambles and things, but normally it's in a bowl or something bargardine that I brought in a grocery store. So this will be my first time trying an eggless product at home. I'm excited to see how it turns out. So come on guys, let's get into it. So these are the items that I'll be using for my, oh God, I'm a tea in the background, but anyway, I'm a coffee. It's my little coffee station. I'll be using the Daiya cheese, the Just Egg product, the onion, a tomato, some spinach, a green pepper, some mushroom. I'm also gonna try these field roast apple sausages to go with it because I've never tried those either. So I'm excited to see how everything turns out. Okay, let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna ask y'all to do is not judge my pots and pans. My son, when he's home from college, he cooks his own food, and he puts my, I'm not trying not to cuss because I get angry. He likes to put my stuff in the oven. He puts pots and pans in the oven, which of course makes them, jacks them up. So anyway, I'm gonna use this. I'm getting ready to saute my veggies. So I'm gonna use this Earth Balance butter. We're gonna get that on started. We're gonna get that started, y'all. And while that's about to go down, here's my Just Egg. Shake it real good. Go ahead and put them in there. All my veggies are chopped and stiff. Put a little seasoning on them, the black pepper, the pink Himalayan salt, so that's onions, mushroom, spinach, tomatoes. So let's get over here to this Just Egg. Right? I'll put it on in the, I would smell it, but the way my stomach's set up, if it smells weird, oh, okay, it looks weird. I ain't gonna gag. Not gonna gag on camera. Not gonna do it. So I guess you could pour it straight into the pot from the bottle. I'm not gonna do that. I have some black salt powder. Because they say the black salt makes it taste more like egg. So I ain't gonna put too much because I've never tried that before. And I don't know what it tastes like or whatever. I'm gonna put just a little bit of pink Himalayan salt in that. A little bit of black pepper in that as well. We're gonna whip it. Whip it real good. Whip it. Whip it real good. Whip it real good. Whip it real good. Whip it. Whip it. That's it. I don't want to smell it. I'm trying not to smell it. Whip it real good. Whip it. Right. So, let me get our stuff out of the way. My trash is good. Can't cook in no dirty kitchen. So, I'm just waiting for our veggies to finish. Get a little sautage. Like I said, guess I gotta get some. And what's funny is every time my son goes away to college and comes back, he messes up some pots and pans. He'll buy me some more for Christmas or a birthday. He turned around and messed those up. So really, he's buying them for himself because I don't cook that much. So it's horrible. This is gonna be interesting. All right, okay. So, get my egg on there now. I hope it don't turn out brown. I can't stand no brown ass egg. Here we go. Here goes nothing. It smells like egg. Y'all, this is my first time, so y'all get to experience this with me, you know? Oh, and I already had my sausage cooking on the back burner. They smell good, but that apple roasted or whatever, so. I was gonna use olive oil for the coating of the pan, but I decided to go with my Earth Balance butter. I hope this comes out right, because first of all, that Just Egg was expensive. It's a little bit, just a little bit. It's like $5 for a bottle. Okay, so here's my omelet, y'all. It's almost done, basically. I'm gonna flip it one more time and I'm gonna put my cheese on top of it. Flip it. Whoop. Usually put the cheese in the middle. But the way this omelet is set up, we're gonna put it right on top, shawty. And I don't know why I let Just Egg pump me like that. But it's okay. I think it looks okay. I think it might be a little tasty. Just a little. Just a little tasty. Okay. Yeah. It's done. Let's see what it tastes like. I did put a little salsa on it because I do like salsa on my omelet. And again, this is the first omelet I've had since I've been vegan. Now, when I first went vegetarian, I was making omelets every day. So let's see. Bon appetit. Okay. Presentation isn't the best, but the product came out good. Let's try the sausage. Okay. Okay. Just egg and not gonna talk my mouth full. Just Egg and field roast came through. I got some coffee. I'm gonna go enjoy this. You guys, let me stop eating on the camera because my daughter talks about me real bad. It came out good. Try it. Just Egg. I'm excited. Even though the presentation isn't the best, my first time making an omelet out of Eggless scramble. I like it. All right? See y'all next time on Keto Red. I'm sorry, on all things Keto Red. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the alarm button so that you'll be alerted anytime I post a video. See you guys next time on All Things Keto Red.
Everything you left